Destiny Ridge. Good morning, viewers. How you going? Well, look, it's still raining. We're up to an accumulative 49 millimetres, which is nearly 2 inches of rain. That's over the last week. The boy is so excited. So excited. But I want to go down and have a look. So when I get a chance, I'm going to do a bit of drainage around the tank. The tank is full, I think. If it's not, it must be so close that it's not funny. I still haven't put the overflow in yet. Wasn't expecting 2 inches of rain today, but anyway, expect what you don't expect, I suppose. Alright, so there are many viewers that watch this channel, want to see how much water's in the dam. So let's go and see how the water is running. That's one thing. And two, let's see how much has gone into the dam. So that water goes down into there, and then it filters down the side road down there, and ends up in the dam. Well, I think it does anyway. I'll have to. Well, you can smell the wallabies down here. That's where we did the tracks. Alright, so I'm gonna... Yeah, see that's flowing down there. And this comes out of here. This comes out of this paddock here and comes down here. And you can see it flowing down here. I don't expect it to be too high. I'm sort of expecting it to be over the little island I left. But if it's not, it's not. If it is, it is. I think it will be. An inch of rain last time put it over the top of the island. Oh, nearly. Look at that. Oh, and we've lost a branch. This branch has come down during the night. It wasn't there yesterday. So that is about 18 inches deep. The dam at the minute, when finished, should be about 5 metres. I'm hoping, or 4 metres. So, okay, that's one. That's the dam there. Good. I want to see what's flowing down the road. Make sure bait is okay. I'm pretty sure it will be. See, that's still flowing in, so that's good. Yeah, still flowing in. Next time I'll get the tractor, I need to put that little bit of road in. So it started raining about 3:30 this morning with a thunderstorm. And since then, it has been just soaking rain. So beautiful, beautiful rain. Good for the farmers if you've got your seeds in. If you haven't, well, it's a bit of a hindrance because now you've got to wait for the soil to dry out a little bit so you can put your seed in. But the seed will definitely go a little bit better, I would imagine. Oh, there's some water flowing down there, look at that. It needs to be turned back into the property, into a dam. There's Vader up there. He's alright. Yeah. Lots of water flowing down the road. Lots of water flowing into the neighbour's place. He'll love that. That'll go into his dams. Look at that. A little creek happening. Creek. Yeah. What are we doing? You wanted to go for the ride. was, big fella. And now it's like, oh my God, I'm wet. Me too, mate, I'm wet too. But we're gonna go and check while it's raining. No use doing it after it's rained. No use doing it tomorrow. Plenty of water coming down the road there. I should turn it back towards the dam. Or is it just sitting? Oh no, it's just sitting in all the little holes that I've left. Because I'm the worst road builder in the world. I just got to go slow. Yep. Lots of water. Oh, that was a deep one, wasn't it? I want the engine to conk out. Definitely settling the dust, isn't it, big fella? Hey, isn't it? Now, is the water coming out of there? No, it's not. Oh, that's a deep one, isn't it? That's a deep one. So here's where I want to build the dam. I'm pretty sure I can. It is on an angle, it's on a slope. Not much of a hill, but it's about 3 or 4 meters. I'd have to put a couple of drainage channels in, make sure it drained into it. How you going now, big fella? Hey, you don't like it here, do you? Oh, viewers, Sonny was so excited. We're going for a ride, we're going for a ride, we're going for a ride. He keeps looking at me like, when are we going home? Oh, I love it. Gotta love your dog. Gotta love your puppy. I don't think he's been for a poo yet either. Anyway. Oh, that's a bit soft. Lucky I'm on this thing. I'm not in 4-wheel drive, but now I am. Now I'm in 4-wheel drive. Push button 4-wheel drive. Hey. Isn't this good, Sonny? Hey? Isn't that good? This will make the grass grow. I need to feed the wallabies as much, which is good. Although I might keep feeding them a little bit just so that they become friendly with me. I like friends. Friends just don't like me. Oh dear. Lonely people say that, you know they don't. Anyway, I'm not lonely. I got him. Oh, water on the. Is that better? All right. I'll have to remember to keep wiping the lens. It's not raining that hard at the moment. It's just steady rain. tried to start the generator this morning. I was down to 12.2 volts. I could have let it go. I could have continued until it got down to, oh, that was soft, 11.7. Or 11.8. I'm not going to do that. I don't want to stress the batteries. So I've got the battery chargers on with the two battery chargers on with the generator, and we'll see what happens. Oh, this looks a little soft. It is soft. Probably leaving horrible marks behind me. Look at all this water flowing down to the dam. Do not drive down here in a four-wheel drive ute. You will regret it. It is so soft. The balloon tyres on the quad bike are holding this little fat dude up. Well, not that little, 6 foot. But anyway, which is little compared to today. I think most kids are like 6'1" or 6'2" or something, aren't they? Or is that only the good looking ones? I don't know. I watch these silly shows, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up here and see if the dog wants to go for a wee. He hasn't been for a poo yet either. The smell. See all the oaks? The oak trees, and over there and here. The smell is just unbelievable, beautiful. It's a lovely smell. Glasses are a little bit wet. You've peed on every tree in that grove. That little tiny grove you've peed on. Now you're gonna have a poo? Go on, off you go. Get him. So, go on. Get him, quick. Go on, hurry up! I can't see anything out there. It's so peaceful. Except you can hear my generator, just lightly. Oh, you're ready to go now? Okay. All right, get up. I'm ready to go now, Dad. I can't see any tracks anywhere, but it's still raining, so the tracks are getting covered up. Well, not covered up, but definitely waterlogged, let's put it that way. There's a fair bit of water through here, and that's lovely because it's all going in the dam. Oh, we got some ducks today. Look, see the ducks down the other end? Look, wait, I'll stop. See the ducks over there, down the other end of the dam. Look, they're just getting out now. Oh, no, they're cormorants. Are they cormorants? Yeah, they're cormorants. They're not ducks. They're not ducks. I can't zoom in with this stupid thing. Can I? No, dumber than dog shit, this stupid GoPro. But look at the water going straight in the dam. That's come up a fair bit. I'm loving that. Look, 4 cormorants just there. Loving it. We've got water coming out of there, off that side of the hill, down and through there. And I'm coming down there, down the track. We got, oh, there's water in there. There's water in my GoPro. It's supposed to be waterproof. What's going on, GoPro? Anyway, the cormorants are walking around. We'll get going. So they can fly off and then fly back. Look at the green tinge on the side of the dam already. Oh, there they go, they're flying off. There they are, look. Love them. Yeah, that's come up a bit. Come up a little bit. There you go, go and land back on the dam. Good boys and girls. They're not pied cormorants, just cormorants. Pied cormorants are the black and white ones. Anyway, so at least the GoPro's not overheating today, because that always sucks ass. Sucks the big one. Hate that. Hate that big fella. I hate that. Yeah. Well, there's lots of grass coming up through the track. That's good. But then all I have to do is slash it. Now, water comes out of there, off that side of the hill. Oaks or pines or whatever you want to call them. Love it. All right. Too much water coming down here, and that's good. A little bit, got a little bit of water, but not much. Pretty good actually, because what it does is the sand fills up all the little ruts. Oh, here, this one is going to be deep. But not too much, see, still got some marks from yesterday or the day before. Or a day before maybe. We're going to stop at the top at Wallaby Alley. I don't think there's too many wallabies anymore there, but we saw one yesterday. Didn't we, big fella? Some water running down the road, that's good. Got a curragh along. There's a fair bit of water here. Hey, big fella. Smell them. You can smell the wallabies, can't you? Hey? Look at you sniffing. Leaching into that one. Bit of clay or something. You gonna hop off? I'll stop here. Oh, look out. We've stopped in the middle of a bloody big ant's nest. Look at the ants. I don't know if you can see them through the GoPro. GoPro is such a poor quality video. Oh, prickly pear. And it's got a fruit on it. To keep an eye on that. I like prickly pear fruit, but you need gloves to get it off. Come on then, yep. Good boy. Cattle love prickly pear. You push it over and they'll eat it. They don't care about the spines. Their teeth, their mouths are so tough they can just eat them with the prickles, and they love them. They love prickly pear. Water in here, big fella, in there. Not a good road builder, this fella. No. Oh, that was a bit deep, wasn't it? Viewers, there we go, a trip around the farm while it's still raining. I think it's clearing now. We're starting to get a bit of sun come through the clouds, not much but enough to brighten it up a fair bit more. It's not so dull. And go on, get off, don't go out in the mud though, all right? Or you'll be outside all day until you lick yourself clean. Yeah, you don't know what I'm saying. But you will if you go outside and get muddy. Hop off now, come on. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah. No, you're not getting back up. We're not going again. He would. He'd go around all day. He loves it. He loves it. Anyway, so that'll take a day to dry. Got me new macadamia nut tree and some rosemary I've got to plant out. The macadamia tree's going over there. Once I work out where the chicken coop's going. It's going in the chicken coop. Not only to keep the birds away, but keep the possums and all that, because chicken coop will have chicken wire all the way around it. And we can go from there. And no, you, hey, wipe your feet. Did you wipe your feet? Yeah, it looks like you did. Good boy. All right, viewers, love yous. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content. And look out, I've got some more trail cam videos coming up. Also got some fencing videos. You would have seen that I've already cut some round posts. Well, I've got to cut a whole heap more round posts yet. And we go from there. Love yous. See yous. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ring the little bell for notifications. See you next time.